Hello guys over at Zero Tolerance Security. My name is Calvin Burkhart and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds. And in this video, I'm just going to go over 3 things that you guys can do to start improving your online web presence. Now, we received a form submission, and in that submission you had indicated that you don't have a website. However, I did find this website, so I don't know if this is an older website that maybe you guys are trying to get rid of and then build a new one on your own website, because it looks like this is part of ueniweb.com. And so in this video, I'm just going to go over 3 tips that you guys can do once you do have your website, that you guys can get that website ranking in the search engines. So let's go ahead and get into it. The 3 things I'm going to cover today is going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So looking at this page right here, anything that you can see that's highlighted on the front page is considered content, including the images, what's behind the images, and also what the images are saved as are included in that content. Now, typically Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content right on your front page, and with 1,500 words of content, you're typically able to work in all the key phrases or key terms that people are going to be searching to try and find you for your services. And so that's tip number 1, just to have more authoritative content right on your front page that clearly defines like all the different services that you offer, and have enough content to work in those keywords and key phrases. Now, going to a search here, I did a search for security services in Atlanta, Georgia. And the first thing that you're going to see in most search results are going to be ads. Now, these are people that are paying to be on the top of the search engine results. And these are kind of like a gamble because they don't always work. Just because you're in front of people doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to click on it and give you business. So what I'm going to talk to you about in the second tip has more to do with this map section right here. And so in order to get your business listed high in the map section, you need to have what's called citations. Now, all a citation is, guys, is it's your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. And just an example of what a directory is, that would be something like Yellow Pages or Yelp or CityStar, or any one of those online sources that allow businesses to list their business name, address, and phone number, and also give a link back to their website. What this does is it creates another avenue for people to find you for your business services. And in order to beat out your competition, you're going to have to go out and see where your competition is currently being listed for their citations. And you want to see about going to get those citations for yourself as well. But you don't want to just stop there. In order to completely beat out your competition in this map section, you're going to want to go and grab the citations that they currently have, and then you want to add more. And so that way you're completely dominating them in this map section. And over time, you're going to take them out in the rankings, and you'll be more visible to the searchers. So that's tip number 2 with citations. It's just getting your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories. But you want to go after what your competition's doing, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you as well. Now, the third thing I'm going to go over with you today is has more to do with this organic section right underneath the maps. And this has more to do with backlinks. So just a brief explanation of what a backlink is it's another website that's referring a link back to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. So having another security enforcement agency give a backlink back to your website saying that you guys are reputable, you guys do security services, that's going to do a lot more good for you than, let's say, like a Pizza Hut giving you a link, because you guys aren't selling pizzas. And so that's what I mean by not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to go after high authoritative backlinks that establish you as an authority in that space. And so I use a tool here called Ahrefs. This is just a tool to give me an idea of what's working well for you, what's working well for your competition. And it's not 100% accurate, but it does give me some ideas if I don't have access to the Google Analytics data straight from Google. And so looking at one of your competitors here, I see psisecurityservice.com. I see that they have 167 referring domains, giving them just over 9,000 backlinks. And just like citations, guys, all this is doing is creating more avenues for people to find them. And with all their backlinking efforts, they're getting found for about 1,400 keywords, which is bringing them about 1,200 people to their website each month. And so that's where we'd want to get you at. And in order to beat out your competition with backlinks, same thing with citations. You want to go out and find where your competition is getting their backlinks from, and you want to see about getting your business listed in there as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you do these three things, you guys will definitely start seeing an increase in web presence from the search engine results. If you need help building a new website, we can do that too. If you'd like to know more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leads can help establish your business online in the search engine, give us a call and we can chat. Or if you'd just like to take these tips and try them out for yourself and see how they do, I'm fine with that too. But I hope this information has been valuable to you, and thank you for your time, and you have a wonderful day.